Brought to you by US Computer Support. Price first. Azure AI 900 costs about $99 USD in the US. It varies by country, taxes, and currency. If you're a verified student through Microsoft Learn for Students or Certiport, you can often get a discount, sometimes up to 50%. What is it? AI 900 is Microsoft's Azure AI Fundamentals Cert. It proves you understand core AI and machine learning concepts, how Azure services handle them. No coding required. Who's it for? Beginners, non-technical folks breaking into AI, product managers, analysts, anyone prepping for deeper Azure AI certs. Exam basics. Expect roughly 40 to 60 questions, about 60 minutes of exam time. Total appointment time to 90 minutes including check-in. Passing score, 700 out of 1,000. Question types, multiple choice, multi-select, drag and drop, matching, short case studies, no hands-on labs. What you need to know: responsible AI principles, fairness, reliability, privacy, transparency, accountability, machine learning basics, supervised versus unsupervised, features and labels, model evaluation, where Azure machine learning fits, computer vision on Azure, image classification, object detection, OCR, face and custom vision basics, NLP on Azure, key phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, language detection, named entity recognition, Azure OpenAI basics, conversational AI, Azure Bot Service, Lewis, language service concepts, orchestration, prep plan. Do the free Microsoft Learn AI 900 modules end-to-end. Skim Azure service pages for pricing tiers and when to use what. Take a couple of legit practice tests to learn question wording. Make flashcards for responsible AI and ML evaluation metrics. Registration book through Microsoft Learn with Pearson VUE or Certiport if you're a student. You can reschedule if needed, just check the policy windows. Good to know certifications can be renewed for free annually with a short online assessment. Clear starter win in AI. AI 900 is low risk, high signal, and budget friendly. You've got this.